How's it going, everyone? On today's episode of Bach's Outdoors Adventures, I'm going to be showing you my two favorite ways to cook duck. Well, two ways that I invented at home, so. Alright, the first way I found here is in a marinade. It's got oil, Worcestershire, some Italian seasoning, a little bit of garlic salt. It's got some Cajun seasoning and a few drops of hot sauce. We let this sit for a day, let it marinate nice in there, and then we'll throw it on the grill. The second one that I came up with is we got these duck breasts. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split them in half. I'm going to kind of split them open, and then we're going to take this cream cheese and these peppers are going to be chopped up real fine. We're going to mix this together, and we're going to stuff these duck breasts with them. Once we're done with that, we're going to wrap it in the bacon. We're going to close them with these handy dandy things. You can find these at your local butcher shops. You can look them up online. These are awesome. You can put them on the grill. You don't got to worry about them burning or breaking off. You pull them right out when you're done and you want to eat it. And I like to season it with a little bit of Cajun seasoning on it. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I put them together. Now I got all of my peppers mixed up into my cream cheese, and that's going to be the stuffing for the duck breast. Now if they're stuffed, I like to add a little bit of seasoning on top of them. And then I'm going to wrap them with the bacon. Now that I got these on the grill, I like to cook them pretty fast, because I like duck breasts medium rare. I don't like them overcooked. Another key I found when you're cooking the duck breast is when you got them wrapped in bacon,
You want to let them sit and cook so you're pretty sure that the side that's down is done. Because if you flip them a bunch of times, your bacon's going to come unraveled and you're going to have a huge mess. So that's just a little tip I learned when I'm cooking bacon wraps, anything, where it comes to bacon wrap tenderloins, beef tenderloins, bacon wrap duck breasts, bacon wrap asparagus. The less you flip it, the less of a mess you're going to have. I like to take the rest of this marinade. Give them a quick flash. And these guys are done. We'll slice these. This is what it looks like in the middle. See, we still got the red, still kind of rare. And that's really good. There you have it. That's how I cook that breast. How do you cook that breast? Let me know in the comments below.